Want to create a Claude AI account on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Claude AI is downloaded on your device. Once installed, open it. It will land you on this page. In this page, you can see two different options. Continue with Google and Apple. It means you can create your account from Google or Apple account. Let me choose Google for now. Click on it. Tap on Continue. Now from here, select the specific Google account you want to continue with. And wait for a while for it to load. Click on Continue at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once again wait for a while. Click on this checkbox and tap on Continue at the bottom of the screen. Enter the name for your account and click on Continue. Once again tap on Continue. And there you go, your Claude AI account has been created successfully. So this is simply how you can create your Claude AI account. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.